Live session, thank you for coming. Janet, live session, always. I don't know if I'll see some of you, but you're welcome today. As you can see, the title today is America Worth It? Is America worth it? Me, I don't know. I don't know if America is worth it because so much going on in the news. Welcome. I'm just starting this video. I know it's late. Better late than never. A lot is going on in the news. But me, as I always say, life will not stop. I'm not going to stop. You know what I mean? I'm just gonna continue living in my mansion. I'll buy a new car very soon. You will see it. I mean, I'm gonna buy a Mercedes Benz. You know, like, okay, so is it worth it? You know what I mean? Like, I'm gonna teach you how to come. If you think America is good, I'm gonna teach you how to come, my friends. I'm just gonna continue doing what I have to do. You know, like for now, I'll share with you. I watch Hallmark movies. Because if I watch some of this news, I'll feel like the world is coming to an end. Can I share with you a secret? Many people who are not watching news are busy making money. It's up to you. You can choose to watch news all day and have a dark heart. I'm just telling you the truth. Keep watching. Keep watching news. Keep watching. And then your heart will be so dark. And then that's all that is happening in the world. Nothing else is going on in the world. There's a lot going on in the world, okay? So, I mean, it's hard. It's hard, so we just have to stay strong. But as you can see, me, Janet is going to teach you how to come to America. I told you in February, come back. No, April, okay? We are back. And Janet keeps her word. I'm telling you. So I'm going to teach you how to come to America quick. If you're one of those people, I tell you student visa is the best. I tell you Canada, I teach you all. But today I'm teaching you America. Okay, shortcuts. We are coming on jobs. This one now is jobs. Steve is watching me from Tokyo. Okay, Janet is about to put on her eyeglasses. Okay, I'm putting on my eyeglasses. When you see Janet putting on her eyeglasses, these are professor-like. Janet is now about to become a professor. Use your buttons. Janet is about to become a professor, my friends. Okay, use your red, blue buttons and yellow. Because the professor is in the house. Okay, Janet is about to become a professor to make you money. I'm about to make you money. I'm about to teach you from unemployment. I'm about to give you options, okay, from America. I mean, for me, it worked for me, okay? I don't know if it's worth it because so much is going on. I'm just saying, you know, like I will think twice before I come. No problem. Think twice before you come, okay? But me here, as you can tell, you know, I'm in my mansion. And I'm going to show you my new Mercedes Benz, okay? A big one. You will see, okay? I'm just saying. So it's up to you, okay? This is the only place we drive these kind of cars without struggling. J1 visa, J1 exchange program. I'm going to tell you different categories. As I said, Janet, you have to have a pen and paper. All of you are saying, Janet, we see you. I see you back. When Janet shows up, is to leave you better than you found me. When I come to talk, I want people to live better than they found me. And I'm all about options, okay? If you're one of those people who think student visa is too much for you, watch and see what Janet will tell you. Those of you who are waiting for the green card, who told you everyone will win a green card? When you don't win, don't come crying, Janet, I didn't win. Where were you when I was doing the other videos of how to get visas? Okay? Yes. I mean, it's all about, I'm just teaching you how to make money. Okay? Exchange programs. Cultural exchange programs. Most people don't make use of this. I used to teach 3 years ago. So many people are here in America in the hotels working through J1 and then they were stopped. Did you know those visas were stopped? Okay, after the pandemic last year, they said, oh, Americans need jobs. Now employers are struggling. Now employers can't find workers. At least where I come from. Where I live here, we don't have workers. I can tell you, I just came from the parking lot. And the hotels, can you imagine, are packed in the parking lot. Recruiting to find workers. I'm just telling what I'm seeing with my own eyes, right here across. Okay? So, vaccines are here. Americans, we are getting vaccinated like crazy. Life is back. Us here in Texas, life is back like normal. I know some other parts, it's not back. Us, we are back like 100%. I'm not lying to you. Okay? Exchange visitor programs, the categories. Let me start with au pair. Au pair is if you have a child. Okay? Listen to me, a child who is 18 to 26 years old. What is the key word here? It's just not, Janet, can I come on au pair and you are 35? No, this is not for you. Okay? Au pair is for 18 to 26. So some mothers watch me, some fathers watch me, okay? I don't know, but I'm just telling you this is how they come, okay? Au pair and educare, okay? We find a host family, someone who will keep you there. The program is what? 12 months. You can extend for 6 months, you can extend for 9 months, you can extend for 12 months, okay? Remember J1 programs, you have to go back after 2 years. But of course, Janet will tell you other ways if you want to stay. Okay, but let's start with coming first. How about that? Okay, we are student visa, we don't even have bank statements. I mean, and Janet is giving you 20 options. You're like, Janet, don't confuse me. No, me, Janet, I don't confuse people. Janet gives you options. You see what works for you. Okay, parents listening to me, or children, or those in college, okay? This is for everyone. Today is everyone. We are tired of nurses, doctors. No, today is for everyone, so pay attention, okay? Au pair or educare. And I'll teach you where to find the sponsors. So stick around. I'm going to say the sponsors at the end of this video. If you want to know who will sponsor you. If you want to know who will sponsor you and take you to the embassy, you stick around until the end of the video. That's what it takes. If you want to come, I will not lie anything. Au pair is one of those places. So you will come, okay? You'll go and they will train you for about 12 months. They'll place you in a host family, okay? Or they'll place you in host families, and you help with the children and work and then, school and all that, okay? Do I know people in au pair that are still sticking around? Yes, I know some that are married, okay? I'm just saying, okay? Don't tell me anything, okay? Number two. Are we done with au pair? But I'll tell you how. So you have to stick around to tell you how. Let me go through the categories of exchange J1. All this will come under J1 visa. You will have to find a sponsor. Then the sponsor will give you a form called DS-219. That is what you'll take to the embassy. Okay? All right. Number 2, post-secondary students, youth workers, and teachers. These ones will come to share information and they'll get paid. Okay? All right. So if you have a child in secondary school and you want them to come to America, okay, and they are youth, they are young, okay, this is one of the ways. If you're a teacher, also, and you already graduated and you are a high school teacher, a primary teacher. What did I say? What did Janet say? You are trained in primary, right? And you are trained where? In secondary. Huh? You listening to me, the teachers. Janet is right here. Okay? Exchange visitor programs. Yes, you can come on those. And by the way, did I say spouse can come on J2? Did Janet say a spouse can come on J2? And kids, whoever. Okay? Beneficiaries. And J1 you will work. Did Janet say that is a working permit? Did I say that? Okay? All right. So we are finished with au pair. And we've said post-secondary students, that's what you graduated high school. Okay? You have some good points. Right? And you haven't even joined college. You can even come there and work as a youth worker. And the program will be here. You'll be here for 2 years. Who knows what will happen in 2 years? 2 years is a long time for a lot to happen. Okay? Okay, have I talked to teachers and those who are our post-high school graduates? Okay, I'm talking to you. Okay? I'll not pay attention to number 3. This one, I don't think many of you qualify, but these are government visitors. These are selected by the state, federal, local agency, and they are engaged in observational discussions, workshops, travel. These have to be influential people. Okay? Do you have mayors? But I've never understood why we don't have mayors at home. You only have mayors in the big cities. Here, every town has a mayor. Local government, we have mayors. You just don't stop on MCA. Every little town, however small it is, you need to have a mayor. Okay? To run the affairs of the small town. Not everything comes from central government, those big places. No. A place where there's a town with border should have a mayor. Okay? All right. But this one, you probably don't qualify. So let's keep on. Janet is all about giving what the people like to hear. It is the truth. Okay? Now, an intern. Let's go to interns. Who are interns? Janet is here. Interns, foreign college, university students. So whichever school you're in, okay, you can always ask to become an intern, and I'll teach you how. Okay, before we finish this video, you will know who is this sponsor, where to find them, and the process. How about that? So you just imagine if you are one of those people who will qualify. That's why Janet is here. Is America worth it? Okay, for me it's working. Okay, I'm gonna drive a very good car. I have a small Mercedes Benz. I'm going to upgrade to a big one. Okay? I will show you. All right? Big. Okay? Big one. All right. Intern. Foreign college university students or recent graduates, okay, who are exposed to, they will expose you to use US business. Did I say that if you are an intern, you finished university, you are jobless, okay? You just graduated, you have no job, come on J1. You will find a job here. I'm just saying, you finish college, okay? You don't have a job, you find a job here. As an intern, in a college or a university. And Janet will teach you how, okay? I hope you are writing notes. You are writing notes. Au pair, students, post-secondary, okay? Government visitors, I don't care. Interns, university graduates, okay? Or those who are still in university or college students. You see, I told you it's for everyone, okay? We even have things like international visitor programs. If you think that's a physician, if you're a medical doctor, okay? Medical doctors have done a video on how doctors come to America. This is very complex, but J1 visa will bring you here as a medical doctor. And yes, you can get a waiver at the end of the program, okay? All right, let's go to the next one. A professor. If you have your uncle, your brother, or who, a professor, okay, they come through these programs. Professors, they come for research, to exchange research ideas from their universities back home, to have exchange with the American universities, with the American US colleges, American institutions, okay? So professors, okay, are you listening? If you are a professor, J1, Group 1, those in Group 1, I know some of you have PhDs in Group 1 and you are professors, and I say I'll come back. Okay, because these visas had been stopped. March 31 was the last day. Now we are back. Okay, if you go posted, the sponsors are back. Okay, and Janet's going to teach you all the sponsors. Did Janet tell you that I will not hide anything? Okay, by the end of this video, you should be able to know what J1 exchange programs are, and you should be able to identify who these sponsors are, and you should know the process of getting a J1 visa. And yes, I'm going to give you a job. Okay, all right, Janet is all about hope and giving you options. Teachers, I told you, you have to be teachers in order to qualify. You have to be a primary teacher, secondary teacher, okay? All those you qualify. And you should be working as a teacher with at least 24 months experience, 2 years. Welcome, I see all of you. I wrote some notes here. Let me make sure I didn't forget any of these categories before I teach you how and where. We have people called trainees. Okay, trainees, degree, profession, certificate from a foreign country, 1 year experience. You come as a trainee, okay? Another one, okay, and you have to have 5 years experience in your job, okay? We have things like short-term scholars. These are lecturers that come to give lectures. They come to observe, consult, do research in the libraries. You can come to American libraries, okay? You can come to institutions of higher learning as a short-term scholar, all right? Okay. Specialist, if you are a specialist, an expert in any program, you get a sponsor. You just go where Janet will tell you, okay? And then you find who the sponsor is and you apply. And let's see what happens. Janet is here to tell you what the world doesn't tell you, okay? We have student, college, university. If you are a university student and you think you can take a break from school, we have programs that will bring you here, even if you haven't graduated, you understand? But some of these programs are financed by the US government, or they are financed by your government back home. Those ones are usually very strict, because if you come, it's very hard to get a waiver, okay? So we need to know those ones. Be careful, but I'm just here to tell you, those ones that will be funded by the US government or your home country government, after you finish, they will expect you to go back for 2 years. So I'm just giving you warnings, okay? Even kids that are in secondary school, you can find a host sponsor, an American family to host your child who is 15. It has to be 15 and 18 years old. And they are in high school. So they can come and go to school in America, in private schools or public schools. Okay, that is J1. Today we are talking about J1 exchange visitor programs. These are paid programs. Okay, so you will make money. Okay, why am I being jobless as I wait? I might as well go to America and make some money. I go back with money, I build a house. Or I stick around. I don't see any losing situation here. Does anyone see any losing situation? Me, I don't see any losing situation here. I'm here to come and make money. I'm jobless. And Janet is telling you, you can come here for summer work, travel. They allow students. Like here, during summer, students don't have to go to school. That is the time they make money. Okay? So, you say, Janet, how do we do this? Okay, pen and paper. Okay, pen and paper. All right? So, you apply to an American institution. Okay, I want you to go to j1visa.state.gov. Write it down. Okay, if you are a new follower to Janet, you come with a pen and paper. People who are new, okay, welcome to Janet Rangi. Okay, if you are new on this page, you are very welcome. use your buttons. People don't sleep in my class. I'm not going to be talking to myself. Who told you I'm here to talk to myself? Okay, I love you for coming. You have to tell me, yes, Susan is ready. It's a win situation. Enoch, is there a losing situation here? If you get a visa, there's no losing. I mean, you're jobless, right? Or you don't have even good money. And Janet is telling you how to make money and build a nice home that people will envy in that nice neighborhood, right? And Janet is just telling you the truth. And it's just not going to say, oh, we want Enoch and we cannot take Irene. We only want Susan and Enoch. No. I mean, what do you have in the pocket? Apply. They don't discriminate, my friends. It's everyone. Okay, you don't have to know someone. Hakuna mpango wa kando. Okay, there is no backdoor. You're not going to pay anyone to give you a favor. Do you understand? So it's for everyone to take. Okay, and Janet is telling you, those who are busy watching news or they are busy other places, they don't know what we know. And then next time now, we are making money and they come to our homes, how come they have a nice car? How come they have a nice home? No, they were watching Janet Rangi, okay? They were busy looking for ways to make money. Do you understand? You have to be smart. You go, like for me, from here, I'll go watch comedy. But before I go watch comedy, I found out how to make money somewhere else. Okay, so I'm just telling you some of these secrets. My friends, I'm telling you. Pen and paper, okay? j1visa.state.gov. That is going to be our website. Do you understand? That is where we are going to find our sponsors. I told you, at the end of this video, Janet is going to tell you everything. Do you understand? So when you go to that website, listen to me. Listen. j1visa.state.gov. I'm not going to post it. I used to post links here and Facebook maybe is not happy with that. They don't want to promote other people. They want to promote themselves. So that's why I'm saying you better have pen and paper. I'll no longer be posting links. They like my videos here. I bring eyeballs. Okay. But when I start posting links, that means I send you outside Facebook. They don't like that. So you better start coming with pen and paper. j1visa.state.gov. When you reach there, you will see all these categories that Janet has talked about. Okay. Au pair, student, intern, scholar, professor, camp counselor, all those youth workers. Look at the one that is fit for you, okay? Then you will click a place that says sponsors. You didn't hear that. There'll be a place that will tell you sponsors. When you click the sponsors for that program, let's say you choose trainee, and then you go under sponsors, you will find universities in thousands. What did you hear Janet say? In thousands. You'll find the universities that bring trainees. You'll find universities that bring sponsors. You'll find American business. You'll find American companies. You'll find American families that bring people on au pair. What did Janet say? in what? In hundreds. You don't even know which one to choose. Do you understand? That is where you are going to go. And then you apply. Look at the one you fit. Apply. Okay? And then if you qualify, they will send you something called a DS-219. Write it down, DS-219. You know, we always talk about I-20 for student visa, right? This one, they'll give you a DS-219. That is what you'll take to the embassy, okay? And then you'll register with a CVIS. Do you know, after 9/11, they brought something called CVIS, okay? It's a system that registers all international students and exchange program visitors to make sure they know where you are, okay? So they'll make you register there. After that, you just pay the $160, schedule an interview, and show up at the embassy, okay? So Janet has told you, and these ones are open. Janet Rangi followers, we are going now. I told you immediately they open, Janet will be here. So you are among the first ones. When the world is sleeping, us, we are awake. Okay? Then I told you, and then you thought Janet was joking. When I tell you something, I mean it, okay? You are going to those websites now. No one has ever told you. Janet's going to make you money. I'm going to make you money. Do you understand? Go to j1visa.state.gov. Choose a program. And all those programs I've told you, choose the one that fits you, okay? Let me go through the programs again, okay? Let me read au pair or educare, number 1. Post-secondary students, youth workers and teachers, okay? Government visitors, interns, international visitor, physician, professor, teachers, okay? Trainees, short-term scholars, specialists if you are an expert in anything, student college, university student, you come for a study or you become an intern, you come here. Secondary students, okay? Summer work travel. Choose one that is best for you. Then when you choose it, you choose the sponsors. If you haven't, in fact, all of us, we are going to form a group. Go quickly. Form a group on J1 Exchange. Those want to come on J1 Exchange, form a group. We are going to ask all the questions. We are coming on jobs. We are not going to be poor. We are not going to be poor. No. We are going to build mansions when the world is sleeping. Is it worth it? We'll try our luck. I don't like what I'm seeing in the news, but I'm looking for the money. Who is looking for money? I'm looking for money, my friends. Okay? I'm looking for the money. Where's my money? Where's my money? Okay? That's what I'm looking for. Okay? Let me go quickly after you find the DS 219, the sponsor. Janet has shown you where the sponsors are. We are going to form a group. Don't come here saying, Janet, who are the sponsors? Janet has told you the sponsors. When you are done with this website, we are going to form a group. Okay? We are going to form a group. Do you understand? J1 visas. We are coming. Do you understand? All of you, I'll come to your groups. Group leader, go down here, start a group very quickly for J1 visa. We are coming on jobs. Do you understand? Okay. Now we'll get that. The sponsor will give us a DS219 and then we'll show up at the embassy. We book an interview, $160, and we find a J1. Okay, now let's go to the seriousness. You know, Janet likes a WhatsApp group wherever it is. Just this. If you've been following me, you've been seeing Janet. Making groups, and I've talked about groups. If you are new on this page, scroll down. I'm telling you, opportunities are plenty, and Janet doesn't play. I make money for people. You come to see Janet, you make money. I'm tired. And when you go back, you build a beautiful home. You are not going to build half-baked homes. You're going to, and I'm telling you, you make money, go and build, or you stay around. Okay, some of you will not go back. You say it's up to you. Okay. Now, let's go to the serious part of this. If you come on J1 exchange program, let me tell you, after you finish, you can always extend. Do you understand? You can extend, but they require you to go home for 2 years before they let you back in. Okay? Me, I always tell you the pros and cons. Do you understand? So the pros and cons. And Janet will tell you everything. So stick around. If you're planning J1, please finish this video. Finish. You cannot afford to not watch the whole video. If you want J1, you cannot afford not to watch the whole video. This is serious. If you come on this program, they expect you to go home. For what? For 2 years after you finish that program. And by the way, when you come here, you can always extend. Keep pen and paper. Very important point. You come here for 12 months or 2 years. Remember what Janet said. You have a chance to extend. Yes, you can extend. Now, you have to go home for 2 years. But stick around. Janet will tell you something called waivers. Janet, how do I stick around? Now they say I have to go back for 2 years. Can I get through that? Is there a shortcut? Okay, yes, Janet will always teach you shortcuts. By the way, I have J1 students that came and they decided to apply to Canada and they never went back home, okay? Okay. I'm just saying. Okay? Let's talk about these waivers. You want to stay around. Okay? You have to get something called a no objection statement. Okay? So what did I say? J1 visa, you can extend, but when you're done with your visa, you're supposed to go home. For what? 2 years. Before you ever what? Come back in. Now some people think they have problems, so the US government has what? We call what? Waivers. And the first waiver is no objection statement. Meaning you'll go to your country and they have to write a no objection statement, which will go to Washington. And say, you know what, Enoch came to America, but we don't need him back in Uganda. We don't need him back in Abuja. Okay? Can he stay there? And then it will go through Washington. Then they will take it to a board. And then the board will recommend for you to stay. Okay? Once they waive it, then you can continue staying. Okay? That's waiver number one. Waiver number two. If you find a job in America, a federal agent, they can say, no, we need Enoch. We need Enoch. Enoch and whoever. Do you understand? They can say, no, we want him to stay. Okay, and then they will knock off that home requirement. So if you find a job with those agencies, okay, now the third one, how people stay waivers, which is unfortunate. This one, we don't want to be a part of this. But they say, if you demonstrate to them that if you go back, you fear what? Persecution. What is persecution? You'll be persecuted based on your religion. You'll be persecuted based on your race. You'll be persecuted based on political opinions. Okay? They can waive that one. Okay? That's waiver number 3. Me, I'm just telling you. Okay? Waiver number 4. Waiver number 4 is exceptional hardship. Exceptional hardship. So if you show them that by you going back home, your family who is a US citizen or permanent resident will experience extreme hardship. Your spouse or child will experience extreme hardship. They will let you stay. And you say, Janet, but I came to America single. How do I don't know. 2 years can do a lot. I guess you came in and made someone pregnant. I don't know. Or you got married. I don't know how that happened. Because now you came in and now you found a wife or a girlfriend and then you got married and you got kids. And now for you to go home, that is extreme hardship. Do you understand? That will be extreme hardship to your spouse. That will be extreme hardship to the child who is a US citizen or permanent resident. Okay? They can accept you. They can waive that J1 visa. Okay? And the other one is public health. Maybe they need you as a doctor. Maybe they need you as a worker in the public department. Okay? And they've offered you a job and you're ready to start that job within 90 days and you're ready to sign a contract. Do you understand? They will waive you. Has Janet taught you everything to do with J1 visa? Okay? Me, when I present everything to the point, I've taught you who comes on J1 visa. I've taught you where to go and find the sponsors in hundreds. Choose what is fit for you. Apply directly. Get DS 219. Book an appointment. Show up. I've told you the pros and cons of J1 visa. Okay? You have to know. All right. Yes. Okay, now Janet is done with the video. Thank you so much for coming. Okay, these days I'm straight to the point. Merci beaucoup. Kwaheri. Muchas gracias. I love you so much. I will see if you have any comments or questions quickly. But basically form those groups of J1 exchange programs. We are not going to be jobless. Okay? And we are going to buy nice cars and build homes. That's all I do. And is it worth it? You answer that question. It's hard. I don't like some of the things that I see. But where is my money? There's no other place in this world. I'll promise you. I'll promise you that one. And if I tell you, Janet, you lied to me. Janet, you lied. You come and tell me. Okay? You come and tell me. All right? There are issues. But there's money. Where is my money? Where is my money? Okay? Where is my money? Where is my job? Where is my job? Do you understand? Where is my job? Okay? So me, I'm trying to fit into this message because, well, Janet, you promote America so much. Look at what is happening in the news. So I have to be careful. What I'm saying, okay, I have to be careful. And I can only share with you. It's up to you. Okay? The choice is yours. I mean, you choose what you want. Sometimes it's better to have poverty and peace. Do you understand? It's better to have poverty and peace. And that's up to you. Okay? But me, personally, I would rather have money. And have a job. Okay? Your J1 visa, form the groups, J1 visa exchange programs. I will say the title are j1visa.state.gov. j1visa.state.gov should answer all your questions. All your questions. Young, old, wherever, scholars, professors, students, interns who graduated, no job, go find those universities, show up. Do you understand? Yeah. Brian I finished my care. Go to that and see what fits you. Apply to those universities. I mean, there are so many. So many. And you know, all of us will come because, as I told you, some other people are busy watching dancing videos. And us, we are busy looking for money. Do you understand the difference? Next year, okay, they will be broke. But they will just see you going to the airport. Okay? And they will be just seeing you sending dollars. And then you'll have money in your pocket. And even you'll be able to build that house. Okay? Well, you are not going to go in the sun every day, the sun, and no job or no money in the pocket. I say this is a working visa. Do you understand? It's paid. But it's an opportunity for you to learn the world. That's why it's called an exchange program. You're coming to learn and you're coming to see what happens. Do you understand? I have people that work in hotel industry through the J1 visa. Might not be a good job, but it will expose you to the next. Okay? I saw my friends. I saw people that came here and now in Canada. They are students. They use that time during their J1 in the United States. And once you get that visa to the United States, more than likely you'll get the Canadian visa. And now they are going to be permanent residents in Canada. Or they are going on student visa, and then they will get what? Permanent residency. Look at this not just as money, but look at this as a way to know what the world knows. Why do some people do well better than you? Do you understand? They never used to tell you these things. Some of these J1, they are given by the government. Some of them will just show up at the embassy. Then they come and keep quiet. No more. No more. If you follow Janet Rangi, you know everything. Do you understand? You know everything. Basically, you know everything. Okay? I'm telling you what people know, but they will never tell you. That's why you see like 10 of them coming. Okay? And Janet is telling me to come in thousands. I'm done. I'm done with this video. Okay, go to your groups. Janet is done. Do you have any questions for me? I kept it short and sweet. Merci beaucoup. Kwaheri. Muchas gracias. Until next time. Okay? And this was the easiest way to get a visa. I got mine in 15 minutes. I like that. It's true. I've heard that comment. You are not the only one. Do you know even the one that came to our hotel, to work in our hotel? This hotel. Let me tell you the hotel, the name. Okay? Don't say I say anything. After this, go and Google Marriott Hotels. Okay? Go and Google. I don't know what the hotels are. Okay? The hotel industry. Go in the hotels, American. Just Google American Hotels J1 Exchange. Okay? And see the hotels that will be bringing people. Do you understand? Okay? And one of them came and said, Janet, they never asked me any questions. They just gave me a visa. Do you understand? That is the comment I hear. Did you see that person? Hyatt. Okay, then it's like... then, right now, let me tell you, okay? Listen to me. This is what happened. Okay? So, the last few years, immigration was so tight. Okay? They became so hard. So people are not coming in, okay? From Mexico. You know, they used to have people coming from Mexico and all that. Eh? And now they are dry. So they don't have enough people. Do you understand? And then Corona came. And then they banned these visas. Okay? So hotels are struggling. To find workers. So you're among the first ones. Do you understand? So now it opened this month. This is April. This is just 2 weeks since it opened. Do you understand? Go to those hotels. And then don't miss to Google the word J1 visa. Okay? Make sure you put in hotels in America sponsoring J1 visa. Okay? And then go, if they can, you'll come and make beds and vacuum hotels. You can become front desk. Okay? They need cooks. Sometimes you just need to get into the door. For some of you who are not very educated. Okay? You didn't get A's. If you didn't get A's, okay? You just need to come in. You understand? You need a job. Of cleaning, and you are not gonna be having heavy brooms and having hard labor. No, it's easy. It's just machines, just vacuuming. I see that when I go to sleep in the hotel. Okay, and then you make breakfast, lunch, dinner. You serve cocktails in the evening, events. You understand? In the front desk, you give parking. You help with valet parking. That right now they're desperate for workers. Do you understand? Although you hear there's no working. People here, there are some just staying home. Okay? And employers are desperate. Okay? So this program has opened. It's been 2 weeks. Okay? So try in the hotel industry too. If you're one of those people in hospitality, okay, you need to call those people. Or follow how they do it. If you're, I'm not talking to you who is a professor or who is a doctor who can never work in a hotel. Okay, I'm talking to my people who just have hospitality experience. And make sure when you write hospitality experience, it has to match what they're asking. Okay? So if the job needs, a cook to have this experience, your experience should be matching what they're asking for. Okay? Yes. And then someone say you do Uber and all that. You know what I mean? So I told you, J1 exchange programs. Legal. Okay? Did you see the website I told you where you find them? Legal. By the government. Do you understand? Okay, so we are going to find those jobs. If student visa is not for us, and books were not for us, do you understand? Now we are talking to those people who are not they want to be nurses. Okay, you are not one of those people that can do well. Okay, you just want to come and see what the world knows first. But I've told you all the pros. Don't say, Janet, you didn't tell me. Now this program is just short. It's just 2 years. And then I have to go back home. Janet has told you everything. Okay? Okay? All right? Okay. Or I almost forgot that one for hotels. Hotels love them. Okay? Another place that brings them is Disney. Okay, did you hear me? Disney. Okay, so go look. Disney, Florida. Okay? Disney, California. Okay? I'll be telling you some of those companies that bring J1 visas. Let's start with the hotels. And let's start with the Disneyland. Okay? Disney World in Florida. Okay? And then go to State Department. You will see universities. Many universities. Many. You will see sponsors. Because you can't just apply to any job. They have to go through the State Department and register. And the State Department puts their names public. Did you know that? They put their names public. Public, and you people didn't know. Okay, someone says Holiday Inn. Okay? You know, the public right now, you should be going there. So that one, the one that Susan said, that is even big one. Susan, that one, Ritz-Carlton. It loves J1. Marriott hotels. Okay? Disney World, Disneyland. Okay? They have J1 programs. And then the State Department has thousands of sponsors. You just go and choose a sponsor. You'll be even confused which one to take. Okay? Once you take that one, you start following up. Once they give you, show up at the embassy. I've told you how to make money. Okay? Thank you so much. Merci beaucoup, Kwaheri. I love you so much for coming. Asante sana. Mwah. Merci beaucoup. Muchas gracias. Bye-bye, Liz. Love you for coming. Bye.